If you're seeing an Epic Games connection error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get the Epic Games launcher working again. We'll start with the fastest solutions first, and then move into the steps that solve most connection problems on Windows. This is a great video if the launcher won't sign in, keeps saying there's a network issue, or refuses to load properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. It sounds basic, but a weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Epic Games fails to connect. Try opening a website in your browser and make sure your internet is actually working. If pages are loading slowly or not loading at all, the issue may be your network rather than Epic Games itself. Next, restart your Wi-Fi or router. Unplug your router, wait about 20 to 30 seconds, and plug it back in. If you're on a laptop, you can also disconnect from Wi-Fi and reconnect after the router comes back online. This refreshes your network and can clear temporary connection problems. After that, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's fully shut down. You can right-click the launcher in the system tray and exit it, or open Task Manager and end any Epic Games processes if needed. Sometimes the launcher gets stuck in a bad network state, and reopening it gives you a fresh start. Another thing to check is your VPN. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it temporarily. Epic Games sometimes has trouble connecting through VPNs, especially if the server location or routing is causing delays. Turn the VPN off, then try launching Epic Games again and see if the error disappears. If you're still having trouble, restart your PC. A simple restart can clear background processes, reset your network adapter, and fix small software glitches that may be blocking the launcher from connecting. After the restart, open Epic Games Launcher again and test the connection. If the error is gone, great, you're all set. If not, go back and double check each step carefully, because even one unstable network setting can cause the connection error to come back. These fixes solve the issue for a lot of users, especially when the problem is temporary or caused by a network conflict. Hopefully, one of these steps got Epic Games working for you again. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.